Hi friends, this is Eigen Tech Buddies and you are watching Eigen Tech Buddies YouTube channel. National Institute of Virology recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies. Are you seeing my channel first time? So please subscribe my channel to get regular notifications and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications on your phone. So we can discuss about the post. Technician, technical assistant, technical officer, data entry operator, junior clerk and multitasking staff. Then 45 vacancies are there. Job location is in Pune, Mumbai, Kerala and Bangalore. The salary is up to 31,000 rupees and the last date for application is 30th July 2020. So contact technician, the vacancy is in Pune, 8 vacancies are there, Mumbai 2 vacancies and in Bangalore 2 vacancies, in Kerala 2 vacancies. The salary is 18,000. The qualification needed for the post is 12th pass with science subject and DMLT. The maximum age limit is 30 years old, so the candidates below 30 years old can apply for the job. Contract data entry operator. 3 posts in Pune, 1 in Mumbai and 3 in Kerala. The salary is 70,000 and the qualification needed for the post is intermediate or 12th class, that is plus 2, and required a speed test of not less than 15,000 key depressions per hour. Then the age limit is 25 years old. Contract technical assistant. 3 vacancies in Pune, 1 in Mumbai and 2 in Bangalore. The salary is 31,000 rupees and the qualification needed for the post is graduate in life sciences. The life sciences subjects like biotechnology, microbiology, like science subjects and with 3 years of experience or master's degree in those subjects, and the age limit is up to 30 years old. Contract junior clerk. 6 vacancies in Pune and 1 vacancy in Mumbai. The salary is 16,000 and the qualification needed for the post is intermediate or 12th pass. Then typing speed 35 WPM in English or 30 WPM in Hindi, and the age limit is 25 years old. Contract technical officer. 8 vacancies in Pune and 2 vacancies in Mumbai. Salary is 32,000 rupees and the qualification needed for the post is graduates in life science. So the candidates who are graduated in life science subjects like biotechnology, microbiology, etc. can apply for the job, and the age limit is 30 years old. Contract multitasking staff. 1 vacancy is in Mumbai and the salary is 15,800 rupees. The qualification needed for the post is high school, that is SSLC or SSC or equivalent, and the age limit is 25 years old. The candidates who are below 25 years old can apply for the job. And we can check how to apply. The candidates meeting the age criteria and possessing the required qualification as on 30th July 2020 and willing to work for COVID-19 related activities may apply and fill the application form in the prescribed format. So the prescribed format is given in last, so watch full video and send it to location via email ID. So the email ID is also given in the video in last. So at this stage there is no need to send hard copies of any applications or documents. So when we apply for the job through email, candidate should type application for the post of, write here the post name and the location here in the subject line. Then candidates apply for more than one post. Apply separately for each post. Then the shortlisted candidates will be displayed on website of ICMR NIV and these candidates will be called for interview or personal discussion. The final list of selected candidates will be displayed on the website after personal interview and document verification. Keeping in view of various precautions and non-availability of transport services due to COVID-19, the interview or personal discussion will be conducted through Skype or video call only. So the applications in standard format should reach us the specific locations through email ID for Pune recruitment@niv@gmail.com, for Mumbai nivmumbai@gmail.com, in Bangalore nivbng@gmail.com, and in Kerala nivkeralaoffice@gmail.com. The applications without enclosures in the standard format should reach the above location via email ID up to 5 o'clock on 30th July 2020. So this is the prescribed format for the application. Here the location and latest photograph. Write here the name of post applied for and name in full letter. So this is in capital letter, and name in full letter, surname, and mother's name, father's name, husband's name. If you are married, write here your husband name if you are female. Then address for correspondence, mobile number, email ID. When you fill the mobile number and email ID, must sure that your mobile number and email ID is active, and here permanent address, date of birth, whether you are SC, ST, OBC or general category, write here the category and here the caste. Then if you are physically handicapped, here yes. If yes, the percentage of disability and type of disability must fill there, and the marital status is married, unmarried, divorced or widow, you can fill it, and the educational qualifications are here and the work experience are here. Then any employment exchange, if you are already registered in employment exchange, you can give the registration number and exchange name. Then if you are selected, what period would you require joining the post? Then here date, place and signature of the candidate. So the prescribed format link is given in the description box. The emails are also given in the video. Then the official website link is also given in the description box. If you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box. And the last date for application is July 30th up to 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Then if your friends or relatives are eligible for this job, please share with them also. Thank you.